I don't believe in death, neither in flesh nor in spirit. In this great future, you can't forget your past. Better to die fighting for freedom than be a prisoner all the days of your life. I don't know how to live well. I only know how to suffer. When the race gets hard to run, it means you just can't take the peace. Live for yourself and you will live in vain. Live for others, and you will live again. Though the road's been rocky, it sure feels good to me. Truth is the light, so you never give up the fight. When one door is closed, many more are open. You can't find the right roads when the streets are paved. Live the life you love. Love the life you live. Conquer the devils with a little thing called love. If puss and dog can get together, why can't we love one another? One love, one heart, let's get together and feel all right. Overcome the devils with a thing called love. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. In the abundance of water, a fool is thirsty. Judge not, before you judge yourself. When the root is strong, the fruit is sweet. Every man got a right to decide his own destiny. You just can't live in that negative way. Make way for the positive day. I have no education. I have inspiration. If I was educated, I would be a damn fool. 2,000 years of history, black history, could not be wiped away so easily. Don't give up the fight, stand up for your rights. The day you stop racing is the day you win the race. Your life is worth much more than gold. Hey Mr. Music, sure sounds good to me, I can't refuse it, what to be got to be. My music fights against the system that teaches to live and die. One good thing about music, when it hits you, you feel no pain. Don't bury your thoughts, put your vision to reality. Free speech carries with it some freedom to listen. If something can corrupt you, you're corrupted already. Open your eyes, look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. tell the children the truth. The good times of today are the sad thoughts of tomorrow.